Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Stable Diffusion version but for images and voices and songs, okay? So before going on, please like the video, subscribe and activate the notifications so you'll be informed of future videos. Let's go. Okay guys, so let's dive into it. First thing first, you're going to go in the link in the description, okay? And go to this GitHub. This will be the TTS. We will download it, okay? Go here, we extract zip file, and we go into it. So here, listen guys, if you are on Linux, you will only run the Linux files, okay? The same goes for macOS and Windows. Windows is even easier. You only have to double click on Start Windows, that bad. On Linux and Mac OS, what you have to do is open a terminal here, okay? And we have to change the file's permission so we can execute it. So we'll do chmod plus X and start Linux like this. So now if I list them all, I can see that start Linux is executable. So I'll just execute it. I'll put also all the command lines in the link in the description, okay? So if it is the first time that you will launch this code, it will take quite a while. For me, the first time it took about half an hour, 40 minutes, okay? So be patient. When we launch here, okay, what is your GPU? You have to respond. If you want to use the CPU, you'll press D.
20 minutes later.
So once it launched, this is the interface. Those who used Stable Diffusion will recognize it. So here I'll do a quick example, okay? In the text prompt, I'll do pop, okay, with a high BPM, with bass. And let's mix pop with house music, okay? What I do recommend on the duration is to put it at the maximum. Obviously, your graphic card has to be a good one to do this. But why do I recommend it? Because the model was trained on this length. If you put 10 seconds, it will try to make a drop, for example, and just cut it in the middle because it didn't reach 30 seconds. We can generate here. We have an estimation. Totally wrong. You have this melody, which is optional, but you can input it. You can input a song. It will try to continue it. Here we also have bark, voice, vocus, okay, and tortoise, and that bark, not the voice. I will do a full tutorial on them, okay? So watch the other videos. Here, it generated the music, so let's listen to it. Not bad actually. But don't forget, this is just the beginning of AI, guys. So it's not incredible, but it's quite good. And here, guys, is another example of a song that I made with AI. See you guys in my next video.